Hello, and in this video we will go over how to use the EasyPlot Import StandIDs tool. So first let's discuss the tool and then we'll go over the procedure and logistics. So up at the top here we'll go to EasyPlot Tools and then over to Import StandIDs. If we click on that here we can see that we can select the stand layer, select the stand ID field, and we also have an option to transfer over other fields. Then on the plot level, we'll see the plot layer name and the name of that plot ID field. Okay, so now let's look at the attributes. So let's click on sample stands and then we will right click and choose attribute table. And then here we can see we have a type field with a forest type, acres, number of plots per stand, the X and Y layout for the other EasyPlot tool, and age. So now if we click on the plots and we right click and open the attribute table, we'll see we have a stand ID field, but nothing is filled out. We also have a blank forest type and a blank age field. So to efficiently fill this in, we will use the EasyPlot Import StandIDs tool. If you need to add a field, say you don't have an age column yet, you can go right here and you can choose Add Field. Or you can choose these three lines, Field Views, and you can add a field down here at the bottom. I will close out of these for now. Okay, so to select, I will go up here to select and I will just drag a box around my stands and plots that I wish to migrate the information from. Head to EasyPlot Tools, Import StandIDs. So we will choose the sample stands as the stands layer. And that stand ID field is called stand ID, so we'll leave that as is. Now, what we can do here is we may also want to bring over other fields. So something important to note is that this field name must be the same in the stands and in the plots. So for this example, I'm going to use age. I have this field age in both the stand and the plot layer, and it is the same exact name and the same field type. Then I will select the plot layer and then the plot ID field name and then choose OK. Great. We have updated our points, so we'll click OK. Now let's reopen the attribute table for the plots. Here we can see that our stand IDs and our age has come over from the stands layer. Okay, so now we still have a blank forest type. So in order to populate that, what we can do is go back up to EasyPlot Tools, Import StandIDs. This time though, instead of stand ID, what we're going to select is the stand type. That is the type field in my stands layer. And here in my plots layer, I'm going to choose forest type. So now it'll bring that stand type into my forest type. We'll click OK. All right, our points are now updated, and here now are my points. So I have P for pine and H for hardwood. If we clear that selection, we can see this H point right here is in my hardwood stand. And this P point right here is in my pine stand. Great. We hope you found that helpful, and thank you for watching.